My video tutorial will provide you with help to remove the ransomware called Hunt. Hunt is a ransomware belonging to the Dharma family. My video, though, is strictly for the educational purposes. I am not related to this ransomware and I am not promoting the ransomware. In my video, I will just show you the damaging effect of the ransomware and I will give you some recommendations on how to possibly recover the data. Before the ransomware's attack, you are able to open the files without troubles, including pictures, music, Microsoft Office documentation, and other data. Unfortunately, because of some leaks and vulnerabilities, this particular Hunt ransomware may be very easily injected into the computer, and then very soon people realize that they can no longer access the data. This Hunt ransomware appends the Hunt extension to the file names, and it's impossible to open the files. Furthermore, the ransomware additionally reveals a special ransom note where it indicates that the ransom needs to be paid supposedly for file recovery. Nevertheless, I urge you not to waste your money and not to pay the ransom. There is no guarantee that if you pay the ransom that your data would be restored. So don't pay the ransom, don't waste your money. I recommend you to remove this ransomware with Combo Cleaner Antivirus urgently. Combo Cleaner can be found on the official page combocleaner.com, but to get there you will need to use your Internet Explorer browser. Go to the page combocleaner.com, download the software through the official website, install the application, and then once it gets successfully installed, start carefully researching your computer. Combo Cleaner is initially in the trial mode and only quick scan option is available. Click on the Start Scan button. The application will first of all update its anti-malware database, which is definitely essential for proper detection and removal of this ransomware or any other types of threats. After the anti-malware database gets successfully updated, Combo Cleaner begins scanning, researching, and investigating the computer. Pay attention to the feature of Combo Cleaner called anti-ransomware. It helps to remove the ransomware and to protect the data in the future, even though Combo Cleaner does not decrypt the files. You can upgrade Premium. You can request trial to fully evaluate the features of Combo Cleaner. So at the end of the scanning, you will see the summary of threats. You will be able to know their exact locations. Some threats can be removed manually, of course, but I recommend you to consider upgrading to Premium. And you can, as I said, request trial to evaluate the features of Combo Cleaner and to remove this ransomware. Speaking about file decryption, please find a special link in the description to this video, which will give you more information on how to possibly recover the data.